Good morning everybody. Kamusta ang lahat? So ngayon, Saturday and 8 o'clock in the morning. So pupunta kami ngayon ng Blue Mountain. Ayan, nag-start na po kaming travel at saka nasa daan na po kami. Nakalimutan ko lang kaninang mag-intro. So magbo-voice over lang tayo ngayon. So today dahil wala tayong work and wala ring work yung lab ko, kaya nagkayayaan kaming magpunta ng Blue Mountain. At saka i-treat namin si Sarah dahil today it's her birthday. So let's go and enjoy. Please support my channel.
Egg Smart.
See you there.
Egg Smart. Breakfast, brunch, lunch. Small town here, right?
Ilang minuto makaya mo.
What is this?
What is this? Braver.
Flower.
Nalalaman niya, Gino.
Pizza Hut. Hindi yung Pizza Hut.
Flower.
Yeah, Timothy.
Noodle pa.
You want Tim Hortons? Pizza Bell. Cute naman ang house na yan, oh. Here, the house is treats.
Is that a store? I think
No,
so.
it's look like, yeah.
Yeah, entrance is
You want McDonald's?
very close. Like, picture ng ice cream. Hindi ka blends in.
Kelsey's. Oh, do you have Kelsey's?
Blue na siya. Bakit tinatawag na Blue Mountain Blue? Blue yung sky.
Usually.
Dapat blue sky tawag. May mountain eh. Kaya kasali yung
Dapat Green Mountain. Blue.
napatong pa sa mountain na hanggang blue-green. Tapos sky. Mountain sky.
Marami din palang store dito, no? Lots of,
Comfort. Comfort in. Ayun ang comfort in. Yan. Comfort yourself.
yeah.
Naligaw-ligaw. Tapos pumunta kumain. Free room.
Yeah, I think, remember we've been here last time?
Is this
That one, yeah. We
Oh,
take a
ito yun,
pictures.
ano?
Yes. Diyan tayo, o dito tayo, o. Diyan tayo ata. Dito tayo nag-park, di ba?
Ah, this one. Yeah.
Pero doon tayo, o, doon sa mga puno na yun, o. Yeah.
Parang binalikan na lang natin to, no? Kumain mo na. Tapos pumunta ng lumaw. Saan ba ito noon? Pagpunta natin dito, Bet, wala siya. May trabaho.
I love the sky. Right?
Sa face.
The sky.
Nice morning. Ano ito? Yung Airbnb yata. Tama ba dyan? Ay.
Maraming nag-ano, oh. Cottage. Yeah.
Ay, yung mga
Airbnb,
bikers
oh.
nandito.
Yeah, look.
Ginawa yung mga bikers.
Camping. I think, no, right? Nagka-camping sila. Oh, yan, oh.
Summer camp na.
Campers.
Summer camp. Yeah. Nalarga ako sa 24 lalayas na sila.
Ayun, ang dami nila, oh. Yeah, look.
Kailan sila? Campers place.
Yeah.
24 sila lalayas.
Dami nila.
Sabay-sabay lahat. Yung dalawa lang. Sabay pareho sila ng place. Pero yung panganay, 2 months. Pangalawa, 1 month. At least magsama sila sa ano. Camping talaga.
Ala, We are going to...
Ah,
Kasi maano kami, malata kami kasi.
my goodness.
At saka, huwag ka nang maingay dyan. Hi guys! So ito na, tingnan nyo naman doon oh.
Takot ako nung gumanon, oh. Ay, gumanon sa gilid, tapos ang lakas. Tapos sininaan mo, nabutan pa kita. Kung binilisan mo yung tama yung speed mo, hindi ka pwede mag-drive, bawal yun.
Yeah, baw.
Malapit ka na? Yeah. Ito ko, nag-stop pa nga ako eh. Sana bilisan mo! Para kumigil ako, para ako lilipad. Para ako malaglag sa bangin.
Ang daming pila din doon sa kabila oh. Ay, birds!
It looks like I'm flying down.
It's fast,
It's very
It's
fast.
very
You can
fast.
control.
Yeah.
but you don't control. They push.
Yeah.
Then it's gonna-
Bunasini Cafe. No, there is. Let's go there.
Okay. Healthy food.
I know. It's okay. We're gonna burn those one. Why it's
Oh, we can go far a little bit.
So ayan guys. Blue, blue, blue. Let's go.
Came from here, no?
Yeah, we go this way. Now there's lots of people now. Okay. Yeah, let's go sit down here
Where?
inside. Do you want me to call? Do you want me
Oh,
to
see right there. Maybe this.
sit down here? There. Hi guys, good afternoon na. So nandito na rin. Naglakad-lakad tayo. Ayan. Dahil wala kaming may nahanap na wala, sabi ko wala akong may nahanap na dress doon. Kaya let's go walk around. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda
What?
doon. Ha? Restaurants.
See the bar. I mean,
Or over there.
there is more stuff, no?
Yeah, let's go walk.
There's no, no.
It's look like, I don't know if there is a hotel. Let me check my hands. My nails is not. Parang uulan guys. Pero ang ganda ng ambience dito. What is that? Mag-walk-walk tayo. Ang ganda oh. What is, you wanna go inside here? No? Tingnan nyo naman dun oh. Ayan.
We can go there.
Let's go this way first.
Nothing there.
Nothing?
Yeah, we came from here.
Yeah. There is some music.
Pizza pasta.
Ah?
Pizza pasta. Not good for me.
Pasta? Ah?
Pizza.
No, let's go find other restaurant. What is here? What is oh, there is water. Let's go there. Oh.
That's where the party is.
Ah, okay. So what?
We can go there. What?
Later, let's go walking around first.
Yeah,
Learn
we
how
did
to.
in Chang.
It said walk
Do it
and
hamburger, Chang.
learn to throw special. Ah, okay. Guys, ang ganda. You want ice cream? There is a big ice cream there.
What?
No.
Sure?
Yeah. Smell good. Smell hamburger. Oh, if you want to buy painting inside, you want to go inside here or there? Maybe there first. Nice house. Let's go there. Okay, to yeah, nice.
Gonna tell
Bear.
him to come here?
No, they're gonna call me. Oy, I saw birds. Where is? Ah, okay. Where is the Blue Mountain name? Oh, it's nice. Look at there. Hi guys. So, ang ganda dyan oh. Pero, ang mahal ng ticket guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung kahoy. And then, if you wanna go have mother's tongue. Wow, my love. Can you take me pictures, darling?
Go sit again.
Yeah. Guys, look at the small river. Nice, I love it. Then, I miss it, this one. We have back home.
Want to go on?
Yeah, let's go walk around. Hi guys. So, kaya madilim dahil makulimlim, parang uulan. So, ang ganda ng view. Ayan, oh. I like it. Yan. So, ayan. Ganyan ko lang. So, ang ganda ng view. I love it in here. Diba guys? So, kamusta ang lahat? Ngayon ay nakagala tayo dito ulit sa Blue Mountain. Pero parang ngayon ko lang na-enjoy. Dahil nang nakaraan, hindi kami nakapunta dito. Diba? So, nakaraan, hindi kami nakapunta dito. So, ngayon, ito, walking around. Trail. So, ayan. Maganda doon, oh.
Oh, no, you kind of see the sign.
Ganda. Music. Guys, may ipakita ako sa inyo. It's really big. Here. Ito guys, oh. You know what is that? I think it's turtle. So, ayan. Parang uulan. Oh my gosh. So, this one. Guys, ang ganda.
Especially of the India side.
Here. Oh, finally, it's sunny again. Guys, way! Ang ganda here. At saka ang ganda ng araw. Yan. Ang ganda, cute. Ganda dun, oh. Ang ganda dito. No entries.
Night is really good.
Yeah. I think, yeah, it's nice to come here night, no? You can see the lights. Especially winter time.
Good at the
Mainit-init na. Guys. Dito na tayo sa blue. Ang ganda ng hangin. Yan. Mahaba na rin yung ating nilalakad-lakad. Ang ganda dito. Yan naman. Cute oh. So, mayroon kami nito. Tawag sa amin bao baho. Wine Ang ganda ng bahay. Diba? You have Italian, you want here? Oh, ang cute here, oh. You wanna come? Huh? There?
Yeah, it wasn't. I saw one.
So, ayan na guys. Ay nag-enjoy ako dito sa pag-ikot-ikot. Kasi ang ganda ng mga bahay, ang ganda ng mga kulay. Ayan, like that. Diba? Ang ganda. So, puro kahoy. So, punta tayo dito sa kabila. Here. Here. Sa mga friend. Ang ganda na kasi uminit, oh.
Kasi pag mag-appear yan sa YouTube.
Yes, after eating alcohol, it's good.
What is that? Chuck? Chuck burger? Guys,
No, you have to do it, it's good for that.
pinaguluhan namin, oh.